Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply for GitHub student benefits. This is a fantastic opportunity for students to access premium tools and resources completely free, including GitHub Pro and credits for various development platforms. Let's walk through the application process step by step. First, open your web browser and search for GitHub student benefits in the search bar. You'll see several results pop up, but what you're looking for specifically is the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Click on that result to navigate to the official page where all the magic happens. This pack is GitHub's way of giving students access to powerful development tools without any cost. Once you're on the GitHub Student Developer Pack page, look for the button that says Sign Up for Student Developer Pack and click on it. This will take you to the application page where you can begin the verification process. Here you'll see an option to start an application. Go ahead and click that to proceed with filling out your information. On the next screen, you'll notice a few circles or radio buttons asking you to specify your status. Click the circle beside student to indicate that you're applying as a student rather than a teacher or educator. This is important because it determines which benefits package you'll receive access to. Now you'll need to provide some details about your educational institution. Type your school's name in the field provided. GitHub uses this information to verify your student status, so make sure you enter the correct and complete name of your institution. It's worth noting that GitHub requires a valid academic email issued by your institution to process most applications smoothly. In the next field labeled What is your school email address, type your school email address. This is typically an email ending in .agu or your school's domain. Using your official school email can speed up the verification process significantly. After entering your email, you'll see an option to share location. Click on that button. This helps GitHub verify that you're accessing the platform from a location that makes sense based on your school's geographic area. Once you've shared your location, click Continue to move forward. Now comes an important part of the application. You'll see a drop-down menu asking you to select the type of proof you'd like to provide. Click on this drop-down and select your preferred option from the list. If you don't have access to a school email or if additional verification is needed, you may need to upload proof of enrollment. This can include documents like a student ID, class schedule, transcript, or enrollment letter. Choose whichever document you have readily available and upload it when prompted. After uploading your proof or confirming your school email, click Continue one final time. At this point, your application is submitted and you'll need to wait for GitHub to review it. The approval process typically takes a few days, so be patient during this time. Keep an eye on your email inbox for the approval notification from GitHub. Once approved, you'll have full access to all the incredible tools and services included in the Student Developer Pack. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.